Hey creators, in today's digital world, video content is the absolute king and it's more important than ever to create high quality, engaging videos. But how do you know that your video stands out from the crowd? Well, the key is always in the editing. In this video, we will go through some essential tips and tricks to help you master the art of video editing and create content that will keep your viewers engaged. First and foremost, it's crucial to eliminate any unnecessary content. The first 30 seconds of a video are absolutely decisive and you don't want to lose your viewers' attention. To achieve this, import your entire video into your editing software and remove any parts that you consider irrelevant. By starting your video abruptly, the viewer will be caught off guard and immediately engaged. If the subject matter and hook at the beginning are strong enough, over 70% of those who clicked on your video will watch it for more than 30 seconds. If you are just starting out, it can be challenging to decide which parts of the video to cut and which ones to keep. Therefore, a useful tip is to ask for feedback from friends and family. Write down the minute and second when you see them starting to lose interest. B-roll footage can be a valuable tool to make your videos more engaging. B-roll footage is any footage that is related to what is being discussed but may not be necessarily filmed by you. Incorporating B-roll footage will keep your viewers engaged, but it's crucial to offer a clear reason for its inclusion. To make sure that your video transitions smoothly, use the zoom in and zoom out technique. It's also useful to synchronize your cuts with the beat of your background music to give your video a more natural flow. The J-cut is a popular technique used in Hollywood where the audio of the next clip starts before the video. This technique will make your transition smoother and more natural. Organizing your files when starting a new project is absolutely essential. Keep all your files in folders, subfolders, and save everything where it belongs. This technique will make editing faster and more efficient. To edit faster, learn the keyboard shortcuts you use most frequently. For example, in Flixier, all keyboard shortcuts can be accessed by clicking on the question mark button in the editor. So, in conclusion, by applying all these tips and tricks, you will master the art of video editing and be able to create high quality content to keep your viewers hooked. Remember, eliminating unnecessary content, applying B-roll footage, and organizing your files are essential techniques that will make your editing process a lot smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching.